This
You
is
know-
really fun.
You know, it's been a long time since I had this wine, but
Yes,
I
it
remember
has
it.
been.
I remember it really,
Two,
really
three,
well.
4 days from now.
2 from.
But the
today.
unique thing about this wine, which we discussed on the last thing, was that this is 100% Cabernet, which was something we used to see on the shelf at Pillsbury's Wines and Spirits in 1972. It would say, you know, Sebastiani, 100% Cabernet, because that was such a thrill for California wineries to use 100% wine, which in the meantime, the French were blending, and that's the way Bordeaux, you know, has always been made, except for this one.
This is really, I mean, honestly, one of the most shocking wines I've tasted here in a long time because, first of all, it's Bordeaux, okay? And Bordeaux has got a position in the world of wine that no other area in the world even comes close to, all right? It is, without question, the most sought after, the most highly recognized wine in the world. And they're expensive, and they're stupidly expensive. But this wine, $25 regular price is a joke, and 15 on the resale is unbelievable.
Well, aren't the current what are the futures right now on some of the classified gross? They're like $1,000 a bottle or something.
Well, for the first gross, yeah, they could be
$1,000 a bottle.
$1,000 a bottle. You know, and the way I look at this, to digress for a moment, is how much did I pay for these wines 40 years ago, and how much money was I making per year?
Oh, that's pretty funny.
Yeah, well, it is pretty funny because when you figure that...
Was that when you were at Derwent Stencil?
No, that was when I was at the Wine of the Month Club. And when you figure that, you know, I'm making now, unfortunately, only maybe 10 times more than I was making then, but the wine costs 50 times more.
Easily 50 times.
Oh, yeah. I mean,
$20? It wasn't $20 then.
well,
probably like 10,
you
15
could buy, I remember you could buy on futures 82 Mouton for $32.
Wow.
$32, okay? And now it's probably close to $1,000.
It is. It's close to $1,000. I went to a tasting, a couple of years ago at the Roosevelt. I think it was the 09 futures. And,
Yeah.
And you had a ticket. You got one ticket, and then you got about a half an ounce to taste.
Well, you should have gone to the
wine.
trade tasting with the rest of us where they
It
pour you all
was.
you want.
No, at the Wine Warehouse tasting. They were.
Oh, no. This was another one, and I tasted all the 2009s. They weren't all that great.
This is. I'm giving this a 96 just for what it is.
I got to be right there with you because, first of all, just based on the price. I mean, this tastes like Bordeaux. It tastes exactly like, when you put your nose in
The
and go,
nose.
it's Bordeaux,
Bordeaux.
without question.
It's
You
one
know?
of the most distinctive noses that you can get from a red wine. for sure.
Absolutely. Phenomenal bottle of wine.